Alright, in this video I'm going to go over my sliding staging yard a little bit, kind of how I built it and reasons why I did it this way. There's a couple I've seen, slide on drawer hinges, and other ones are built in the layout. I can't do that with the door and the washer and the dryer in that corner. The removable one kind of made sense, get it out of the way, and then I can even roll it out of this room if I need more room to work on things. Yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty basic. I'll go over stuff I used. I just had a lot of it laying around, like the 2x2s and 1x4s, the plywood, all that stuff. And the casters, I bought at Wal-Mart, I think, for a total of like $7. And then the coupler I got from a friend. So I mean, I'm in this whole thing literally just a couple bucks. Kind of budget, I guess, but if it works and you got it, why not? Alright, I'll show the clip of. So here's the staging yard installed. Made it so it went over the dryer. Then I can just slide it to whichever track I want. Sorry for the dark in the corner, my other light's going out. It works pretty good for what I need it to do. Alright, so what I did is I just made a connector, 2-pin connector here with the power and everything, so I can just hook it up when I need it, disconnect it when I don't, and then I just drop my legs down and just soldered them in, just like a normal layout. So everything's powered all the way to the end. I had a bunch of 2x2s laying around and 1x4s, so just kind of fashioned it so that it would balance with it together. Just screwed it all. On here, use some 3/4 inch plywood. For the wheels, you can really use anything, but I don't know, I got these dirt cheap. They're just bed casters, so they roll pretty easy on my carpet, and then I can lock them if I want to. And for the slider, which is really probably more cheesy than anything, I use 3/4 inch birch plywood, so it's all the same. Got everything set level, and I just screwed a couple little pieces of veneer to it to hold it in, and I don't know, I haven't had any issues with it yet. Holds it tight. I'm shaking it right now and it's not moving. It just goes back and forth, and yeah, a little bit of gap, but haven't had any issues, and this way I can run more trains. And I even put a turnout on there, so if I wanted to make another one, I could run a longer train out over the washing machine and the sink. But that's another project for another day. Alright, I hope that made sense. I didn't want to go through measuring and cutting a building because everybody's space is different. It's just kind of more or less an idea of something you could do, try, improve upon. Yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks.